Changing your verification method on Steam can enhance your account security and improve your overall experience. Follow these steps to update your verification settings. Step 1. Log into your Steam account. Visit the Steam website or open the Steam client. Enter your account credentials to log in. Step 2. Access account details. Once loaded in, click on your username in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Account Details to access your account settings. Step 3. Manage Steam Guard. In the Account Details section, look for the Steam Guard option. Click on it to view account verification settings and options. Step 4. Choose your new verification method. You will see options for different verification methods, such as using the Steam mobile app or email. Select the method you prefer and follow the prompts to set it up. Step 5. Confirm changes. After selecting your new verification method, you may need to confirm the change for a verification code sent to your email or mobile device. Follow the instructions provided to finalize the update. By following these steps, you can successfully change your verification method on Steam. Keeping your account secure is essential, so make sure to choose a method that works best for you.